In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Expensify app on iOS device. Let's walk through this together step by step, so by the end you'll have the Expensify app installed and ready to use on your iPhone or iPad. First, unlock your iOS device and make sure you're connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. A stable connection will help the download go smoothly and prevent it from getting stuck halfway. Now, although you could start from a web search, the easiest and most reliable way is to go directly through the App Store on your device. Look for the App Store icon on your home screen. It has a blue background with a white A made of 3 lines. Tap on that to open it. Once the App Store is open, go to the Search tab, usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap into the search bar at the top and type Expensify. Take a moment to check the spelling so you get the correct result. When you see Expensify appear in the list, tap on it to open the app's page. On the Expensify page, you'll see the app icon, the name and details like ratings and a short description. This is a good time to quickly confirm that it's the official app you want to install, not a similarly named tool. When you're ready, tap the button that says Get, or the cloud download icon if you've installed it before. At this point, your device may ask you to confirm the download. Depending on your settings, you might be prompted to double-click the side button, use Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your Apple ID password. Just follow the on-screen instructions to approve the installation. Once you've confirmed, the download will begin. You'll see a small progress circle on the app icon. Wait for it to complete. This may take a few seconds or a couple of minutes, depending on your connection speed. When the installation finishes, the button will change to open. You can tap open right there in the App Store, or go back to your home screen and look for the new Expensify icon. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts inside the Expensify app to sign in or create an account, set up your preferences, and you'll be ready to start tracking your expenses on your iOS device.